Hi, it's gorgeous outside.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Hey, sorry to bring this up now, but what's up with Mike?
Mike, I'm not sure. He's been missing work and hasn't shown up at the Deaf Coffee Chat for a while.
Was it because of the car crash?
Possibly. I think he may be using drugs or drinking again. I wonder if he's taking too many pills because he's still in pain. And I wanted to help, but I don't know where to go.
I remember I was at some workshop, and they told us about a website, Find Help Kentucky or something like that. Let's try to find it. There it is. It's Find Help Now Kentucky.
Oh, wow, that was fast. Find Help Now, ky.org. Huh, cool.
That's definitely the logo I saw at the workshop.
Huh. All right, let's take a look. Not sure. Myself. Friend. Oh, well, we know he's a friend. Let's start there.
Let's put in Danville. He feels safe in that area because he went to Kentucky School for the Deaf.
Mm-hmm. Oh, that's quite a list. Do you know what all those are?
Nope. I don't know what the payment option would be either. We could call this number and ask if they can help us. Perfect. Ready for us. Hi, thank you for picking up. Yes. We have a few questions to help our friend.
Mm-hmm. Huh. That was great information. I'm glad we don't have to understand everything about the treatment options. We just need to know how to call and look for help. This website is amazing. Let's go through this website again so we know some of the options we can give Mike. He can pick and decide which is the best option for himself.
Danville is pretty small, and people know each other. Let's try to find something further away from his home. He really wants his privacy.
That's the interpreter icon. I was worried that these places wouldn't provide an interpreter, but they do have interpreters. Let's see what else they have. Perfect. Very clear. That gives us more information about what he can expect there, like the interpreter icon. We can learn more about a few places and compare before we give him a list, because some have more information than others. It's important that Mike can decide for himself.
Yes, definitely. Just having an interpreter isn't enough for him to feel comfortable, though. What else do they have for the deaf community that best suits his needs?
Yeah, let's try the resources at the top.
Let's see if they have anything under deaf. Perfect. This will be helpful. He's scared that people won't accept him anymore. There's a big stigma to using drugs. Maybe talking to one of those peer support specialists who are deaf will help too. He'll know he's not alone.
Huh, nice. They have deaf sober gatherings and other info here too.
Okay, let's recap what we learned here. We can look around the website and call if we need help. That's easy. We can change the search by location and distance. That's easy. We can look for specific places that show the interpreter icon. That's easy. We can let them know that there's some help for the deaf community.
Yeah.
The hard part. How do we approach them about this?
Right. We need to be careful about what we say. We want to show support, not judgment. This is a cool website. This can help us practice.
I'm glad we had this conversation. Let's contact Mike and invite him out to eat. We can discuss it over lunch.